long list of flankers, here's the newest release of the 1 Million family. Let's talk about it. Fragrance family, welcome to the Rosé channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and I'm going to give a first impression on 1 Million Parfum from the house of Paco Rabanne. Now, if you're new here, thanks for watching. Subscribe to support the channel. Hit that bell. I'm also all over social media under my YouTube handle, Robes08. Keep tabs on behind the scenes items such as scent of the day, scent of the night, post new purchases such as this one. People that follow me already know I got this bottle in hand and actually what I'm working on the channel. If you have a Facebook account, yes, it's great to support me on my page, but I also have a Facebook group where you can interact with other like-minded people. My group is called Fragrance Guru Nation. We're up to 18,000 members where we discuss fragrances, new releases that are coming out. People actually buy, sell, swap scents, splits. You discover new YouTubers, of course, new and old. They post their new videos on FGN. So a great source of information if you're in this hobby like I am. Now here we are. This type of video usually is a haul video where I unbox and do a first impression on a lineup of fragrances. Today I'm giving 1 Million its shine. I'm giving it its love, I guess. It's going to have a singular video just by itself. So when Paco releases a brand new Million flanker, it seems like the community still kind of listens. This one, I'd say I guess I'm early to the party because there's not that many reviews on this particular fragrance yet. It got released a few months back, I believe. But the idea behind this release is not that it's a stronger concentration of the original. They've already done that. This is supposed to be I guess with the sun, is supposed to have some sort of summer rendition to the recipe. So I'm kind of interested. Again, this is a blind buy. I bought this actually online. I didn't go out and test it out or anything like that. So it's my first time, my first impression unboxing this one. So let's get into it. The nose is behind this one. It's a double-headed monster. Renault, of course, comes back from Privé. So last release of the 1 Million line, and brings a friend to the party. So Renault brings a friend, which is Biche, which is a hot perfumier right now. Obviously with Le Male fame, there's some new Le Male flankers under his name. So I got my test strip right here, my Robes08 test strips, and nice design on the bottle. I'll do, of course, my usual, but actually not too bad. It kind of looks like they've done all these like Monopoly editions and things. It kind of looks like that. It doesn't really look like, I know I'm, Lucky and Privé, they've changed the look of it. Even the cologne version, they changed the look of the bottle a little bit. This kind of looks like just a limited edition release kind of. But I like the plaque with the Parfum right here. And then the sun is very much embossed. So really nice. Let's delve into this one and let's see what I get. Brand new 2020 release. That's new on the Robes08 channel. Ooh. Very sweet off the bat. Clubbing scent, yeah. It has that sweetness. It's got a little bit of floral tendencies, but you know what? It comes... There's a grape feel to the scent. It has a grape candied like opening. Now there's tuberose in the scent, and with tuberose and what I was actually expecting, tuberose gives fragrances, it's a white floral by the way, but tuberose can give a sweet honey feel to the fragrance, a gingerbread feel sometimes. So you're gonna maybe smell some cinnamon like quality. It's throwing that off. Again, 1 Million. I don't think it's in the note breakdown of this one, but 1 Million is known to have cinnamon. I'm smelling some of that. But tuberose also gives out a grape-like feel, and I'm definitely getting that from the tuberose. Tuberose also gives a faint green note, close, sweet jasmine-like, if you had to compare it to. It does also have a coconut sweetness. And off this strip, and I think it's going to throw it off more on skin, and I don't want to spray it on skin today for you guys. I'm going to do a pop the cherry on this particular scent later on my channel, just because I'm wearing something right now. I am getting some lactonic feel to the milky feel to the fragrance, and that will, of course, come from the tuberose. Tuberose does give out a coconut milk-like feel, and I'm not getting it off the strip, but I'm sensing that it's going to be there. It's very much, I feel like it's built like the others. It's very strange. It really does have that sweetness. It really doesn't feel like feels like it pulls a little bit of Lucky in here, and I think it's just because of the grape, but it's got a little bit of that cinnamon kick that I'm getting, that gingerbread that tuberose throws out. Yeah, nothing too coconutty or salty. As some said, F it. I'm going to put it on my skin. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's got a fruity tinge to it. Very sweet, fruity tinge. It has a floral, creamy quality, tuberose. Sweetness is there. It's got a little bit of like creaminess and milky quality. It has a little bit like of an aquatic tinge, a little bit. Like they said, kind of like tuberose kind of gives out a coconut milk, but like a mix of saltiness too. That's where I'm going with this one. It has some regular tendencies of the original 1 million. Do I like it? I need obviously more time with it. I feel like it really does pull from the original lineup. I'll need more time with it, obviously. I'm very much lukewarm on this one right now. I'm not sensing anything that's overly exciting here out of this release. I feel like it's going to give me something different. I feel like it will. I just need to wear it more. So there it is. There you have it. My thoughts on 1 million Parfum Edition, the new 2020 release. Nice bottle. I actually kind of like this look of this bottle. I'm happy I got the 100 ml. It's funny because I got all my 1 millions here, and the only one I don't have in 100 ml is the Privé, and now it's kind of bothering me sitting there. But I'd love to hear your take on this. Have you smelt the new Parfum Edition? I'd love to see that in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. Please share with us. And now this is going to go in the vault with the long list of fragrances that I need to pop their cherry. So I'm going to start wearing this in the summer heat. We'll see what I get. And also, of course, indoors in a temperature controlled area and see how it does. And I'll get you a pop the cherry very, very soon. So thank you for tuning in. As always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.